Sir, before nabanggit niyo po, asawa kayo ni Chris Aquino. Ngayon, parang narinig po namin, you are thinking of marrying Senator Amy Marcos.
Apo.
Bakit po?
Kasi si Chris Aquino lagi siyang wala, nasa nasa ibang planeta, hindi ko alam kung nasa planeta siya Kaya pakakasalan ko na lang si Amy Marcos. I need you in my life. Life is meaningless without you. I will love you until death. I will always love you. My love is pure. I'm happy being with you forever. To love and to be loved is the most wonderful things. Welcome into my world. Don't tell my heart to stop loving you. Keep my happiness.